What's up, YouTube? Today I went over to the Pokemon League place thing and registered. They gave me one of these. No, I got two. So anyway, today I went to Target and I bought myself a Pokemon Red Frenzy deck thing, and I'm going to be opening it for you guys. We got a little coin. Swing, swing, swing. Freaking bench thing. I don't care about that. The damage counter thingies. Changes in the rules and blah blah. Then we have the holographic Embor. It came with the deck. Online code thing. You guys can't have that, bitches. Then we have the deck itself. Also, I didn't mention, but I bought a booster deck thing of Next Destinies. I'll be opening that next after this. My background is falling over there, don't mind it. Rock energy, or fighting or whatever. Tepig, Ignite, Chinchino, another rock energy thing, Professor Juniper, Lillipup, Pokemon Communication, Darmanitan, Rock Energy, Energy Retrieval, Pansear, Herdier, Energy Rock, Switch. Actually, I want to read that. Switch your active Pokemon one of your bench. Timber, Darumaka, Tepig, Energy Switch, Search, Simisear, Rock Energy again, Minccino, Revive, another Lillipup. I got 4 Lillipups. Fire Energy, Darumaka, Stoutland, Energy again, Juniper, Ignite, Energy again, Pansear, Energy Retrieval, another Tepig, Energy again, Herdier, Pokemon Communication, reveal the Pokemon from your hand and blah blah. This thing, another Embor, not holographic, another Lillipup, Fire Energy, Revive, I was gonna say Pound, Timber, I was looking at the name of the move, Energy, Darumaka, a Simisear, or Energy, Switch, Ignite, another Energy, Pansear, Focus, Minccino, Energy, a Tepig, Energy Search, Darumaka, and 2 energies at the end. Whack. I just wanted the Tepigs and stuff. Now, unboxing this. I don't want to rip the picture. I don't care about the back too much. Right? Emil. Got it open finally. First up, we have the online code to unlock the booster pack. And I'm going to do the card trick thing that I see people do. 3, then 2. And we have a Mian fruit, a Shinx, a Pida, a Litwick, excuse me, Growlithe, Minchino, and whatever, Jigglypuff, Curly Up, Reverse Luxio, and a Simisage. Whack. That's the end of that, people.